Guys, so today I want to talk about this mop bucket. It's called Parex Trend. Now, since I bought this mop bucket, I'm telling you, it has just been amazing. I bought it at Carrefour and I thought I'd share the good news. Now, what makes it different from the other buckets that we have? First and foremost, I want you to see it has a curve like so when you're pouring out your water, it's not messy at all. It's so easy to use. The other thing that I just love about this mop is it has a special design. Can you see this? So you don't get tired having to wring your mop. All you do is when you get this, you press it in. You can see it sticks to the side. Can you see? So it also comes out easily for you to be able to wash it. And the best thing, when the mop goes in, you can see it moves inside. Can you see? I don't know if you can see, but you can see when you press it, so you don't have to exert so much energy when you're wringing your mop. You know that we turn the mop round, round, round? You don't have to do that. When you just place it inside and press down, the mop does this thing. I don't know what mop holder. It does the work for you. Okay, it's new in the market, so it's obviously a little pricey at the moment. I bought it for around 1800, but I tell you, it has cut my house washing time to half. I, it's just amazing. Can you see how they get small? So that's what happens when you put in the mop. When you press down, that's what happens to it.